Hey, this is Love It Real Fan, and to conclude my series on restoring my number 306 American Flyer Alco PA in Santa Fe livery, I thought I would show you guys a test run of sorts. Technically, I've already tested it, so I know it's going to happen, but I'm going to run it for you, both with the B unit and with the load. More than that. This is full throttle. And stop. Oh. Lost the B unit to a broken joint in the track. Sorry about that. I'll set things right momentarily. No, cat. This is not a safe place. Let's see. Okay, are we on there? No. Alright, we're good. Okay. Just gonna put some cars on now. And see how things look. Now that I have a nice amount of freight cars at my disposal, it is a lot more satisfying to pile them on. Instead of having a total of like 3 freight cars, I now have a total of about 5, right? I don't keep that close track of the American Flyer stock. But, sorry guys. And